Good morning everyone. This is Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College, JNTU, Hyderabad. Let's see the topic of entrepreneurship, small business enterprises. Let me give a quick review on Unit 1. So let us know the terms. What is an entrepreneur? Who is an entrepreneur? What is an entrepreneurship and enterprise? So if a person is dealing with the process of in new ideas or terminology, we call it as an entrepreneur. If he is taking a set of activities to develop a product, we call it as an entrepreneurship. If outcome is that product, we call it as an enterprise. Okay, so who is an entrepreneur? If you ask me, who develops his own enterprises, takes his risk, if he is innovative, converts problems into opportunities, we call them as an entrepreneur. He may be a person. Entrepreneurship is like set of activities which gives a stage in achieving the outcome of the entrepreneur. Okay, if you ask me what are the types of entrepreneur, according to C. Danhoff, there are 4 types of entrepreneurs: innovative, imitative, Fabian and drone. These are the 4 types of entrepreneurs. Okay, let us go in detail about them. Innovative: if you are starting a business, if you had an idea of that particular business, or if you want to go with a new product or idea to launch it, we call it as an innovative. So they are like risk takers who can deal with anything. Imitative: so because imitative is like who is going to copy an idea and do some modifications based upon their interest. So imitative helps in running or increasing the country's economy. Is like when you have an idea and we don't have that much investment, by changing the ingredients of that or by changing the materials or any basic things of that, we can imitate the same model, and for the less price we can helps in developing the country's economy. Fabian entrepreneurs is like second generation entrepreneurs. They are like Tatas and Birlas. If their grand children, like children are following the lead and taking the lead and following their footsteps, and if when any circumstances or any damage are going to occur, they are going to take the advantage of being a second generation and uses their ideas. We call them as Fabian enterprises. Drone entrepreneurs, they don't have any idea, any new idea. They are not they won't take any risk. They just are called as laggards. We call them as drone entrepreneurs. Apart from these 4, C. Danhoff, we also have these types of other entrepreneurs like business entrepreneurs. Business entrepreneurs is like who takes an innovative of a product. We call them as, if we are initiating any innovation in a product, we call them as business entrepreneurs. Trading entrepreneurs, these are like identifying they may not be developing a product, where they are like identifying the products and helps the buyers to reach the product or pushing that product in the market. We call them as trading entrepreneurs. Industrial entrepreneurs essentially manufactures the product or converts economy resources. We call them as industrial entrepreneurs. Corporate entrepreneurs, these are like they comes up with an idea, goes into the info. We call it as corporate entrepreneurs. Agriculture, they goes with the starting, deals with agricultures, engage rising activities, and they go only with the basis of cultural trade. We call them as agriculture entrepreneurs. Technical entrepreneurs, they concentrate more on the production. Non-technical is like developing strategies. Both of them are important togetherly. We call it as an entrepreneur. Okay, we also have the terms like spontaneous. These are like pure entrepreneurs because of the subject they have studied MBA or like that, or because of the passion they had, they'll come into this field. They are like natural entrepreneurs. Induced entrepreneurs, because of the financial subsidies that we are getting in a market, we are going to develop an enterprise and helps in leading that. We call it as a induced entrepreneur. Motivational entrepreneur, These are like because of the self motivation, market the products and services. Because of that, by giving the charities and all, we call them as motivational entrepreneurs. First generation entrepreneurs, who is going to start the because of its own skill, we call it as first generation entrepreneurs. Second, inherited entrepreneurs, like Tata's go and their children are taking the lead, like that we call it as second inheritors. Third generation is like, even though their grandchildren are also taking the lead, we call it as third generation entrepreneurs. There is also another type called hustle entrepreneurs. They are like, they wanted to start big, they wanted to make things big. If they are developing that strategy, we call it as hustler entrepreneurs. Researchers, this is a theoretical approach, maybe researcher is like, but this theoretical approach is very much needed in a passion to develop a new product. If a work is done in theoretical entrepreneur, like a researcher, he actually knows what is there in a theoretical way, what are the what up to the products are done, and how advancements can lead to, and what type of advancements can lead to. But they don't had any practical approach or practical knowledge, so they'll build up a team like technical and non-technical, and they will develop a product with a passion to give the ideas or to develop the product. These are the types. Okay, let us go a quick review what we gone with the topic of unit 1: entrepreneur, enterprise and entrepreneurship. So which goes with a person to process, process to the outcome. We call it as a 3 terms: entrepreneur, enterprise and entrepreneurship. Next one, types of entrepreneurs. According to C. Danuff, those are of 4 types, and other types are like this: business, trading, industrial, corporate, agriculture, technical, non-technical, spontaneous, entrepreneur, induced entrepreneur, motivational entrepreneur, first generation, second generation and third generation entrepreneurs. So there may be a concept like what is an entrepreneurship and how it is started and all. If people ask me with that concept, who is an entrepreneur, I'll say that the person who is going to take a risk taker. Like Samir Bhatia, have you heard of Hotmail, right? He actually started a Hotmail, he had taken a risk, but once the business is set up, he just given it for amount, by taking few amount, develops his own enterprise. He had taken the risk. There may be like shampoo sachets. Initially we used to have a shampoo bottles, then suddenly an idea cracked in a brains that through the traveling or something we need a shampoo sachets. That was the starting, but it lead to the risk, right? Apart from that, a person who is selling a water bottles outside, we never sell the water, right? But somehow clicked, or somehow an advancement or initiation came with the selling of water. That is one of an idea, but which lead to the huge market and also converts problem into an opportunity. There is a person who came from the South India, who used to stay in North, who used to study in North, but he used to face a lot of problems with the food and all. Then he arose with an idea that let me keep a South Indian restaurant here. Then it started. So means the entrepreneurship is started with a problem into opportunity for an income. We call it as in the safe. More of it is a theoretical, more of it is a practical than a theoretical. Entrepreneurship is. Hope you people are okay with this. Let me give a glance of this. So that you can note it out in this paper. 4 types, seed on. Okay, entrepreneur, enterprise and entrepreneurship, developing his own idea due to its skills. Type C, Hadafen. And this is me, Lakshmi, MTech, Assistant Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College, JNTU, Hyderabad. Thank you guys.